Let's be real, guys. Who doesn't want to earn at least $150 online and on daily basis? You guys, this is a raw truth. You can start with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and again the profitable niche or the profitable business that you can start as a beginner and you earn this $150. Being real is more than being a dreamer. So this is a real business that you don't need a lot of things. You don't need capital. You don't need, should I call it, energy. In fact, you only need your focus and a few of the things that I'm going to show you in this video. So in this video, I'll take you step-by-step guide and I'll show you how to look for a profitable niche, a profitable product, and there we begin and see how you can make $150 with affiliate marketing. What do you think? Have you been one of the affiliate marketing person? Are you a marketeer? Have you ever been on Amazon Associates? If you know you're one of them, please write it in the comment section. And if you know you're hearing it new or you want to know, please also write in the comment section that you don't know. So before I jump into the first step, we'll be in 7 steps of setting up affiliate marketing and making it run. Let's first welcome all our new subscribers and also say a salute to our royal engagers, people who are always there when we post our videos, when we upload, when we premiere. Thank you very much. You make us now among the people that are going to benefit from this video. So the first step is choosing a profitable niche. The first step is picking the right niche, not the product, because when you focus on everything, it means you are going to make a business that might not benefit you or might be hectic for you to realize $150. So focus on high demand markets like health and fitness, finance, technology, and online education. These niches have a high conversion rate and recurring commissions, making them perfect for beginners. I would love to ask you, really, if you go to one of the niche that when you advertise a product at $10, you get $0.5. And what about if you get a product that you are going to advertise for maybe $10,000? You get 50% of the commission of worth it. Which one will you go for? I think you'll go for the one that is going to give you a high amount of money. So in this video, we're going to be talking about these niches. How exactly do you think you can really grab something that is going to give you high commission? So whenever you're going to start looking for a profitable niche or you're starting your affiliate marketing, you make sure that at least your product should be in a health and fitness, should be in finance, should be in education and technology, because these ones are going to make it easier for you and you'll start making this $150. For you to realize $150, it's finding a high paying affiliate program. There are very many programs in the market. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Look for high-paying affiliate programs on platforms like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CG Affiliate. The goal is to promote products with high commission and recurring payments. Here we are not here for us to joke. If you're just going to if you're going to join any affiliate marketing program, you should look for one of these ones that can give you enough money and you end up having $150 per day. I'm not saying we shouldn't be daydreamers. We shouldn't exaggerate it. When you're starting, you might not get this $150, but the moment you understand and the moment you're into the market, $150 is going to be just a click and just a twinkle of an eye. You get even double. So whenever you're starting any business, no, there is nothing that you're going to start and get a profit at the beginning. We go to the step 3. Step 3 is build website or landing page. Here, you guys, what we talk about, a website or landing page acts as your 24/7 salesperson. So whenever you use this, use a platform like WordPress, Mix or System.io to create simple and effective affiliate websites. Make sure to optimize it for CEOs with keywords. When we are talking about optimization, we've been talking optimization is across everything that is being paid online. So use words like best affiliate marketing programs, and even you can use how to make money online or how to make money with affiliate marketing. These ones you are going to rate it high. When we are talking about still on this website landing, you know, there are very many websites out there, but as a beginner, I encourage you to always go for websites that are not payable. Just go for website. These ones, WordPress, you don't need to pay anything and begin off. Then step 4 is create high quality content. Content is a king. You know, when you're in love of writing blog posts, you're in love of creating YouTube videos like me, or you're a person who is always on TikTok, you're in a right place. Taking up affiliate marketing is very good for you, because when you start a TikTok page, you can promote affiliate products. You can use keywords like best affiliate marketing strategies and how to make money with affiliate marketing. You can attract organic traffic. Most people love to go for bought traffic, but as a beginner, I always encourage you, please make money when you are not investing any money. You only invest yourself, you invest your focus and persistence. Then step 6 of making $150 with affiliate marketing and starting up the affiliate marketing. As we have already gotten the all platforms, we have already also known how to create the videos or create quality content. Let's dive in and see how do we drive targeted traffic, because all of us, we want traffic on our posts, and if you want to sell more, you need enough traffic for you to sell and get $150. Because we hear $150, it might look small, but as a beginner, it is not small. It's huge amount of money. If we convert $150 in a month, that would be homes up of $4,500. Without traffic, you won't make money at all. I tell you the truth. Don't think that you're going to go open up a blog post or open up an account on YouTube, on TikTok or YouTube, and you find money running. No, you have to make it, put in extra energy and make sure that you have traffic. So use SEOs and social media marketing for you to get this traffic. How do you use it? You can also have paid ads on places like these like Facebook, such that it can also drive visitors to your affiliate links and also get commission. Of course, that's what we are in. You might ask me that which platforms can I target now for me to drive the traffic? You can track YouTube, you can see Instagram, you can also go for Pinterest. They are very great and they are very organic, by the way, when it comes to traffic. They are not like others like TikTok and Facebook. Step 6 is build email list. You guys, I love email list, but most of us, we don't know what an email list is. Email list is an email marketing that is which is one of the best ways to increase affiliate sales. Use lead magnets like free ebooks or guides to collect emails and nurture leads with automated email sequences. You can use places like CanvaKit or Get Responses. When we are talking about build an email list, even me at first, I didn't know what email list is. Do you remember, every day you always see very many messages from some companies, from individuals, and many messages. That is a result of email list. How do you go to elaborate more on that? How do they get your emails? They offer something like, maybe if you want this or if you want the other, if you want an ebook or if you want free learning, please fill up the form here. And when you're filling up the form, they are capturing your emails. So on a daily basis, you find yourself receiving those emails. You receive posts, you receive templates, something like that, which is very good. It is a direct way of driving traffic. So you can do it. Same applies to me. I'm doing it. So here we are going to the last step, which is very important. The last step is optimize and scale. Now that you have done everything, now that you are aware of what email list is all about, of your niche, your product, how to do the ads, what are you going to do? Once you start earning, reinvest in paid ads, you guys. what you don't earn once and you become conjuice. You say, okay, I'm very mean that you're not going to reinvest such that you can drive more traffic. Create more content. One-time content is not enough. People out there want fresh. If you posted something concerning about this pen, next day you can also make an content or make a clip, a video about this pen, but can be the same but in a different way, because people want to see fresh, they want to see real new things. You can also add optimization on what is working. If you find like selling this is working for you, do optimization and sell more of this. You guys, it will look like as if nothing. Hey, you guys, it will surprise you the way you'll see money is coming, because most people fear affiliate marketing, thinking there's no money, because on the first day you might not make money, but later money will start coming. You can use lead magnets like free ebooks or guides to correct emails and nurture leads without anything, without any problem. So guys, here we are. The key to making $150 daily is consistency and continuous improvement. You will see someone asking, why are you too much these days? But if you don't become consistent, it means you not make much. Imagine because you became too much this month, you earn money, then next month you relax. It means that month you're going to get little money, and the target is for us to progress from 150 then to 500, something like that. Now that you have a complete guide on starting affiliate marketing, it's time for you to do action. It's time for us to go aboard. I think by the time you reach on this stage, you should have liked this video. If you haven't liked this video, I request you to go and like it. And also, if you really have listened to all the 7 steps, I think you should have made up your mind either to start affiliate marketing. For people who have been having those questions, ask yourself, can I do it? Yes, it can do it. So go ahead. What do you do? The first thing is to pick up your niche. Then the second, you pick up the product, you pick up the places of these affiliate programs. From there, you go ahead and drive traffic. You can use affiliate marketing in all the social media platforms and build your blogs, even your platforms like YouTube. Then you continue and also build an email list. You guys, thank you very much. Let's do this. Earning $150 per day is the way to go. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye bye.